always ask myself, what will happen to your iPhone or your smartphone if you spill by accident a pure bleach? Is that gonna damage the phone? I'm not sure. And then this video, I have decided that I'm gonna submerge this iPhone XR for 1 hour, maybe less, more. And this is a fully functional iPhone, as you guys can see. This phone, just being honest with you, it has iCloud account, so I hope I'm not wasting technology if anything goes wrong with this phone. So we have the Pure Bleach here. So we're gonna pour this in a container like this. And as you know, guys, don't try this at home. This is a dangerous experiment, and the bleach has very bad smell. I'm wearing mask right now, I'm using a glove, and also after I pour the bleach, I'm gonna take everything outside, so for safety reason. So just in case, watch this video and don't do this experiment. Let me do it for you. And here is the iPhone, so you guys can see the phone in pristine condition. It has some marks and some scratches, minor, but the screen is functioning and everything works fine. So first, let's just go ahead and set the iPhone on the container, and then we're gonna start pouring the bleach. But before we do this experiment, please subscribe to Variety Stick if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up to see more experiments in the future. And let's find out. Now let me go ahead and open, and the smell is absolutely terrible, and we're gonna start pouring. I believe this should be enough. Now, as you guys can see, the phone is fully submerged and on the bleach. Still functioning. I'm not expecting anything to happen immediately. That's why I'm gonna leave this for 1 hour. And let me also bring my timer. So we're gonna start, and we will come back after 1 hour. Now I let the phone get soaked for an hour and 42 minutes. Around hour and 42 minutes. And the most interesting thing, when I just touched the bottom of the container here, it was a little bit warm, so I hope everything will be fine. And also I got another container. I got some just regular water right here. I'm just gonna clean it, and hopefully everything will be fine. So let's just go ahead and open the container and see what happens to the phone. And you can have a look here. I can see some discoloration right here, if you guys can see. But luckily the battery didn't explode. Let me take the phone. Oh my god, the phone is warm. There we go. And let me just clean the phone, just put in water. And we're gonna have a look on the phone just to see the effects of the bleach on the phone itself. That should be enough. And there we go. And look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, the color has gone right there. So it bleached all the colors, as you guys can see. From the back here, nothing happened, only from the sides. So the paint has been removed. Alright, so let me just give it another wash and turn the screen on, see if the phone still functions. No, the phone does not even function anymore. So it looks like the bleach has killed the phone. But I will still try to put the charger to see if it's gonna work or not. So I don't know what's going on here. Let me just try to power on. The device doesn't power. The phone was fully charged 100% when I submerged the phone on the bleach. So it looks like the phone is not working. I'm gonna dry the phone and try again to charge the phone and see what's gonna happen. Hopefully I will get sign of life for the phone. Now I just dried the phone. I have the iPhone cable here. Let me just go ahead and plug it in and see what's gonna happen. Still not turning on. It looks like the bleach has killed the phone and the phone's no longer function, as you guys can see. I'm just so amazed how the color washed from here, and looks actually weird, and it make also the feel of the phone weird, a little bit harsh in the hands. I believe we're gonna get to the point that's trying to avoid bleach to your phone. Bleach will cause damage and will kill your phone, so stay away from this and don't try this at your home. That was very much it. I wish you guys enjoy this experiments. If you want to see more, subscribe to Variety Stick, give me a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next video.